Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add the Nando's card to your Apple Wallet in 2026. So first of all, you need to access your Nando's loyalty or membership card. To do this, you need to first of all open your Nando's application on your phone. Afterwards, you need to sign in into your account. When you log in, you just have to simply go to the rewards or the loyalty section where your digital card will be available. Inside the app, when you find your Nando's card with a barcode or the QR code, you just have to simply scroll down and look for this particular button that says Add to Apple Wallet. Now, when you are able to find this particular option, simply tap on it. Then a preview of the card will be opened in front of you. Then you just have to simply tap on the option of add that will be on the top right hand corner of the screen. And this way your card will be saved inside your Apple Wallet. Now in many regions, Nando's does not directly support Apple Wallet integration. If that's the case with you, you can't actually add the card directly from the app. Instead, you will need to keep using the Nando's application in order to access and scan your card. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.